Questions?
No. Let's come first. No question. No question. Let's come.
You to address some of the issues that have been raging in the state. You're all aware of the little political crisis that the state has experienced. The very respected Chief Ferdinand Alabragba to take proceedings from this point. Chief, sir.
Thank you very much, Senator Olakao. Thank you very much. Our leaders, gentlemen of the press, good afternoon to all of you. This is a press statement by the Rivers State Leaders Forum. We have followed with discomfort the recent events in our state that have culminated in the desecration and arson attack on the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the removal of the leader of the Assembly, Hon Edison Ehie, his suspension along with 3 others, the counter actions of Hon Ehie and his tribe group with his claim of the impeachment of the Speaker, Right Honorable Martin Amewule, the suspension of some members loyal to the Speaker, Amewule, with the elevation of Hon Ehie to the position of Speaker. We have also followed the public appearance and speech of the Governor of Rivers State at the Government House and at the State Assembly Complex and his encounter with the police. We are aware of the various allegations that these unfortunate events are linked to the former governor of the state and Minister of the FCT, His Excellency Nyesom Wike. We have listened to the various insinuations of ethnic undertone, especially that Governor Fubara is a Jaw and is marked for impeachment to pave way for the continuation of Ikwere governor. We met with our governor, His Excellency Simlaye Fubara, and Honorable Minister, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, and wish to state as follows: that Nyesom Wike is the undisputed leader of the political family that produced Governor Sim Fubara. The 3 senators in the National Assembly, the 11 members of the House of Representatives National Assembly, all 32 members of the State House of Assembly, all 23 local government chairmen, and the entire councillors of the 323 local government areas. That His Excellency Simlaye Fubara and all the above elected office holders in Rivers State belong to the same political family and are bound by our philosophy to transform, build, develop, and create the Rivers State of our dreams in consonance with our new Rivers vision devoid of ethnicity, tribe, creed, and gender. That we're aware that there was a pre-existing problem between Honorable Ehie and the then majority leader of the House of Assembly and his colleagues that culminated in his removal. That to forestall Honorable Ehie's impending removal, the hallowed chamber of the Assembly was burnt. And Governor, His Excellency Fubara, believed that Hon Ehie's removal was a precursor to his impeachment, which is not true. That the misrepresentation of the internal wranglings among the members prompted the governor's immediate intervention, making him characterize a purely legislative broil as an existential threat. This caused the governor and his newly assembled supporters to give the actions of the Assembly members an ethnic coloration and prompted use of Ijaw extraction to rally behind the governor in the name of Ijaw nationalism. the hasty reaction of the governor has now pitched His Excellency Sim Fubara and State Assembly members in an all-out battle that has led to the activation of process of impeachment of the governor. That the governor neither sought the help, clarification, or intervention of His Excellency Nyesom Wike or of the elders of the developments, nor did he discourage damaging lies to be peddled against His Excellency Nyesom Wike. His Excellency Nyesom Wike has been viciously attacked by sections of the media and the public as evil mastermind of a scheme or series of events he was neither involved in or privy to. The false stories were peddled that His Excellency Nyesom Wike demanded money from the governor in order to discredit him before a gullible public, which is very sad. We confirm that the allegations are wicked, unfair, satanic. That the governor, being aware of the lies and not debunking them, showed bad faith and ingratitude. That Governor Fubara is aware that His Excellency Nyesom Wike invested heavily in the infrastructural development of Rivers State. He was selfless and applied the funds of the state judiciously. He did not steal nor misappropriate Rivers State funds. To insinuate that today, or create the impression he was asking for money, is most unfortunate and regrettable. Know that His Excellency Nyesom Wike has consistently fought for and defended the interests of Rivers State at all times. At our visit to His Excellency Nyesom Wike, elders assured him of our steadfast, complete, and undiluted loyalty. We apologized for the embarrassment caused him by the governor, His Excellency Sim Fubara, and all others who played vicious roles in the unfortunate drama. We vehemently condemn the intrusion of some Ijaw leaders from some other states, who so soon have forgotten that it was His Excellency Nyesom Wike who insisted on producing a Rivers governor of Ijaw extraction, who insisted on producing a Rivers governor of Ijaw extraction, and paid a heavy political price in the process. His Excellency Nyesom Wike has since facilitated the appointments of more Ijaw sons since he came to Abuja, including Honorable Boma Iyaye as Executive Director of Finance, NDDC, and Honorable Rufus Godwins as member, Federal Civil Service Commission. He has done more for Ijaw sons and daughters and ethnic nationality than most of these leaders. In fact, His Excellency Nyesom Wike's efforts to make Sim Fubara governor was rejected and opposed largely by Ijaws then than any other tribe or ethnic group. On the Assembly, we confirm that Right Honorable Martin Samewole is authentic speaker and Honorable Ehie and company validly suspended. In conclusion, we should once again express our gratitude to His Excellency Nyesom Wike for the audience and amiable disposition to continue work selflessly for our state and accepting the mediation of the elders. We urge the Governor, His Excellency Sim Fubara, to please take urgent steps to correct some of the false narratives against Nyesom Wike, thus providing a window for mediatory talks and a way forward. We advise those encouraging the governor Fubara to engage in a needless and fruitless battle with Nyesom Wike to desist forthwith and allow the governor concentrate on consolidating on the extraordinary achievements of Nyesom Wike while he was governor. Our pact with Rivers people is unbroken. They gave us the mandate in the last election on the back of our achievements under His Excellency Nyesom Wike, and trust that the candidate from our political party family will continue these good works. We caution those new friends of Governor Fubara to retract their steps before they throw the state into deeper crisis. We, the elders, stand with Excellency Nyesom Wike and to ensure that we'll work with him and all involved to bring peace to Rivers State. Thank you very much.
But except chairman overrules that position.
Continue with the assignment. They'll
Thank you.
Okay.
So you drop your hand.